If you found my videos helpful, then please share my videos with your friends. Types of C constants. C constants can be divided into two major categories. First one is primary constants and second is secondary constants. C constants are primary and secondary. Primary are integer, real, character, and secondary constants are array, pointer, structure, union, etc. At this stage, we would restrict our decision to only primary constant, namely integer, real, and character constants. Let us see the details of each of these constants for constructing these different categories of constant. Certain rules have been laid down. Rules for constructing integer constants. An integer constant must have at least one digit. It must not have a decimal point. It can be either positive or negative. If no sign precedes an integer constant, it is assumed to be positive. No commas or blanks are allowed within an integer. The allowable range for integer constant is -3278 to 32767. Truly speaking, the range of an integer constant depends upon the compiler. For a 16-bit compiler like Turbo C and C++, the range is -32768 up to 32767. For a 32-bit compiler, the range would be even greater. Question like what exactly do you mean by a 16-bit or a 32-bit compiler? Rules for constructing real constants. Real constants are often called floating point constants. The real constant would be written in two forms, fractional form and exponential form. Following rules must be observed while constructing real constants expressed in fractional form. A real constant must have at least one digit. Second is it must have a decimal point. Third is it could be either positive or negative. Fourth, default sign is positive. Fifth point is no commas or blanks are allowed within a real constant. The exponential form of representation of real constant is usually used if the value of the constant is either too small or too large. It, however, does not restrict us in any way from using exponential form of representation for other real constants. In exponential form of representation, the real constant is represented in two parts. The part appearing before E is called mantissa, where the part following E is called exponent. Following rules must be observed while constructing real constant expressed in exponential form. The part and the exponential part should be separated by letter E. The mantissa part may have a positive or negative sign. Default sign of part is positive. The exponent must have at least one digit, which would be a positive or negative integer. Default sign is positive. Range of real constant expressed in exponential form is 34E382. 3.4E38. Rules for constructing character constants. A character constant is a single alphabet, a single digit, or a single special symbol enclosed within single inverted commas. Both are inverted commas should point to the left. For example, a is valid character constant, whereas a inverted commas is not. The maximum length of the character constant can be 1, a 5 and equal to sign. Friends, if you find my video helpful, then please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you so much.